Hemi seems to be running a little rough.
My Hemi's running a little rough. Can you do an oil change for me? Your Hemi's running rough and you need an oil change? We can help you. Looks like we need to put some 5W20 oil in here. This is where you check the oil level right here. Now we're gonna check the dipstick. After emptying out the oil pan and putting in the new filter, I'm gonna put some 5W20 oil and refill it in, and it's gonna be 7 quarts total. Now we're gonna check the dipstick. That's where oil level is. And we're good. Now wipe it off, put it back in. Wipe it off clean though, so there's nothing left on it. Put it back in. Now we're all good. That's how you change the oil on a 2006 Dodge Ram 1500 Hemi. Thank you for the oil change. My Hemi hasn't ever ran this good.